Hi, this is Maxine, your girl again. I'm coming to you with my first household tip. And what is this in my hand here? It's a fitted sheet for the bed. Yeah, this one is a size for a queen size bed. How many of you have issues folding a fitted sheet? I'm sure many of you do, men, women, children, teenagers, but I'm here to help solve that problem for you. This is my way of doing it. So my fitted sheet here, the problems we have in folded them are these fitted corners that goes, on the corners of the mattress. Okay? So we have the short side that fits the short side of the mattress and the long side or the longer side. But to fold it, it doesn't matter whether you start from the longer side or the shorter side, because the goal is to end up with a fold that's similar to the top sheet. Okay? So I'm going to start with the longer side anyhow. So what I do, and of course it depends on which is your dominant hand or your preference to use. Mine is to lean towards my dominant hand. And it doesn't matter whether the sheet is on the wrong side where you have the stitch or on the side that looks pretty, that I call the right side. So I practically grab on the same side or the same end that I'm going to use, and I just fold it over, put it over my hand, okay? Extends above my wrist, as you can see. And I do the same on the other side. Now, I'm just going to do this in the camera because I don't know how far out, if I pan it out, if you'll be able to see what I do. So, that may be off camera right now. So what I do, you can hold it like this. You can, if your dominant hand is your left hand, you just put that corner over the one on your right. And if your right hand is your dominant hand, you just put this corner over on the left corner or the left hand. So I use my right hand. That's my dominant hand. So I'm just gonna fold that over on my left hand. Then I replace it with the right in that corner. Now I'm just going to work myself down to the corners. I'm doing 2 at a time, and I can use the right hand to help me because there's space and it's just a sheet. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this corner, put it over my hand. As you can see, I'm gonna find the corner on the other side of the sheet. Okay, again, I can use my right hand to help me, or if you have 2 people, you both can do it together. And there I have it. Okay, I stretch it out. It may be off the camera, but I'm gonna bring it back together. Okay, I'm gonna take this end, my dominant hand, with that fitted end. I'm gonna put it from end to end, fold it back over on my left hand. See? Now when I do this, this is what I have. I'll turn it around so you can see. So this is what I have. How in God's heaven am I going to get this as neatly folded as possible? So what I do, I put this end against my body. Again, put my hand with my finger, that's my middle finger or your pointer. It's my middle finger because it's the longest one. I put it in the corner and I just hold it here. Okay? And I grab the end just to match up the side. So I end up with, may not be a directly straight line, but I end up with a straight line. Okay? Then I'm just gonna drop my left hand, the part in my left hand, replace my left hand where I was holding with my right hand, and I am going to grab the other end. I'm gonna try to make that straight line. Again, I don't know if I'm off camera because I'm trying to do this by myself. So here we go. straight end. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see it. I use black against my background because I think that works best. Okay? So, turn it back around so you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna use my neck to help me to hold this. Okay? Because parts of our body, oh, thank the Lord, you know, or different parts of our bodies are members that come together. It's teamwork right here, guys. Teamwork. Okay, self-teamwork. So I'm gonna hold this with my neck. I'm gonna come in. I'm just gonna try to do this in thirds. I'm gonna come in with my left hand, the left side, and I'm gonna, okay, I think I need to go over a little more. Okay, and then I'm gonna fold in with my right. So now my sheet is in thirds, my fitted sheet. I'm gonna hold it again off my body, hold it up like this. It is not 100% 1/3, but that's okay. So now this is what I end up with. Now this kind of looks like the top sheet when you're folding it, right? Yes! All that corners, the corners are taken care of. They're all folded and tucked in a straight line, or somewhat more of a straight line. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. So again, aiding myself with my neck as my third hand, I'm just gonna fold it in thirds again, or as close to thirds as possible. And there you have it, guys. Like I said, it's not 100% because it's better if I have it on a flat surface when I get to this point. But again, I'm filming by myself, so this is the best I can do. Look at that. Awesome! Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next tip. Take care.